Hey guys, no man, I can't be the only one who's getting bored by lento kaZethu. Phela uZethu umdala manje. Akukwazi ukuthi isacute namanje lento yakhe kulokho engazazi ukuthi ufunani, going back and forth. I mean, ubelana noShobana for what? Third, fourth time now. It can't be. Uze decide ukuthi ufuna uShobana noma ufuna uSifiso, because we all know very well ukuthi after this uzobuyela uSifiso, or in fact ngasabuyela because uSifiso is now going to die. But then afuna ube ngikhuluma okuningi guys, I want to talk about this Zethu's back and forth here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like the video, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Engizibuza kona mina ukuthi uSifiso wenzeni? Ngabe uSifiso umthumela uMankwanyana uThambo ofaka upoison laphayana noma angazi? Well, the only person that uZethu should be having a problem with is uMankwanyana. Ahlwa noSifiso phansi. Leyo kuthi disrespect uSifiso ngale ndlela leyana mina understand. Why uzobuyisela uSifiso amalobole wakhe and athi esaziyo wonke umuntu uyazi usho noSifiso ngalala usiyagijima manje engaged by uShobana and everything, and she's okay with that. No man, I think uZethu unengqondo yesikole kuphela akana ingqondo okuhlala ekhaya. Angazi ngani guys, mhlawumbe nani proud ngalento leyenza, but mina I really hate it. Firstly, what did she expect? Did she expect ukuthi uMankwanyana after efile la uzothatha indoda yakho uMankwanyana uzovela afika jabula athi singiyawamukela emshadweni? Of course uMankwanyana will get angry, uzocasuka ukuthi thathwe indoda yami, ngeke ngiyimele lonto le, I have to fight for my man. Yabo lento lena angakwazi kuyenza, she did not even fight for uSifiso ngento encane nje yenza uMankwanyana. uSifiso angayenzanga nakhona, usiyagijima and ublame uMankwanyana futhi uMankwanyana le ndoda yakhe. uZethu is stupid. Shuthi nengqondo yesikole kuphela uba udokotela nje kuphela. She doesn't have brains okuhlala kona. Ngizama ucabanga ukuthi ucabanga kanjalo lento le ukuthi uma ngabe sefike manje ayithi nango manje she's engaged to uShobana. Uma ngabe sefike setshela abantu lonto leyo izofika kanjani? Kona why ngacaba with the pain that she has caused for uMankwanyana nawe uyayithatha hamisa unesithando futhi kanti yena hey man, I don't know, maybe mina uthatha yonke lento le serious angazi. So do comment down in the comment section ningitshela ukuthi ngicabangani ngale behavior kaZethu, and with all of that being said, this is the end. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.